What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another day, another vlog. So we are here. I'm here with the M3E. These guys are in the back. Your boy Marlson is not here. He's in another vehicle right now, but we're starting out the day in a car because obviously we're waiting on something else, and that is we are going on the fair or ferry. We're going on the ferry, not the fair. Excuse me, because we don't even have carnival here in Washington. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, before we continue on the vlog, I just want to say thank you guys for those of you who have been following us, and for the new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and welcome to our team. And your boy Mars is right there, and that's Helston. And your boy Marlson, I think, is somewhere in this vehicle, in the next one. Yeah, he's with Rawson. So right now we're just waiting on the ferry to come, and we did not expect this rain today, so we're very disappointed. But it don't matter. We are going to the other side of this island. We are going to go fishing. We're going to go fish for some fish, and then no, I'm just kidding. We're just gonna have fun today. Today is actually the last day for these guys to enjoy their spring break, and then they're going back next week. So we decided, me and mommy here, we decided to take the day off today so that we can spend a little bit of time with our kids and just enjoy the weekend. And then next week we'll be going back to school, and then all that crazy and busyness stuff will be back to normal again. But stay tuned, everybody. Like I said, we're waiting on the ferry. Whoops, let me see. Oh no, it's not. I guess it's coming, so stay tuned, everybody. So we are on our way to the ferry. Look at that, This is our crew right here. You guys ready? Helston, you ready to go on that ferry? Good job. Where you going? You going to Chuk?
No.
Yeah? Where you going then?
I don't know.
What about you? You going to Losa? You?
Huh?
Where you going?
I don't know.
Yeah?
I don't know, but we're going on the ferry.
You going to Losa? You ready? Preston, you ready? We are in. Where you guys want to sit? You guys want to sit here? No? You guys want to sit here? There's a little snack bar right there. Not bad, not bad. It's a pretty spacious ferry on here. Look at all this space. But the fruit is back here. Are you excited, dude? Hey, little man, are you excited?
Fish.
Really? Have you ever been on one of these before?
No.
Really? Okay, good. We're going to Losa. Look at that.
This is really big.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun, okay? So look at this, guys. M3E, they're just enjoying the ferry. What's up, Celine?
Look at that one.
Alright, guys, so we're on the ferry right now. We're just getting ready to get rolling. But look, we're here. These guys are here. Any words for the viewers?
I want you guys with us. It's awesome. But
And then, where are you guys going?
I don't know.
You're going to Los Up?
No.
You're going to your home
Hawaii.
island?
Yeah, we're going to Hawaii.
Really? You're going to Hawaii?
Hawaii's one step.
Anyway, we're up here. We're up here with this guy.
You put it here.
What?
Here. There's the camera.
What? If you want to say something, you can say it to the camera. I gotta make sure that I get everybody on the camera. But this guy is way too excited. Look at him. Mark. These guys are here. Woo. Look at him. Yeah. This place is so relaxing. Nothing to do. I wish I could have brought a cup of coffee to accompany me on this journey. I'm gonna pretend like I'm going to Hawaii or going back to Chuk. This ferry. But on a serious note, these guys are really enjoying. All the kids are really having a good time. That's the main thing. If these guys are happy, then I'm happy too.
I like this part because I can see the whole ocean.
Oh yeah?
No, you can't. I'm standing the whole time.
Cool. Alright.
Wait. Oh, it landed and then it fell. That was the Of course, you want to see a window? Sit by yourself? Dude. Okay, I'm sitting by myself. Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna take a pause for a little bit and then once we get rolling, we'll start vlogging again, right? See you guys in a little bit.
Alright guys, we're moving right now and we want to see how it is.
Alright. Yep, that is Chuk. We are leaving Chuk. We are going to America. Bye. Bye, Chuk. Bye. Bye, Chuk. These guys are just trying to get the candy out. We'll get something after. Where'd you guys go?
Your attention, please. We are now arriving at our destination.
All right.
Please make sure that you have all of your personal belongings before you step from the vessel. Drivers and passengers
So basically we left Juke and we arrived here in America probably 15 to 20 minutes later. But yep, we're here. Alright guys, we're getting off the ferry right now. They're just cleaning up the ferry, and just for security purposes, making sure everybody that gets off the ferry, and then we'll just come back up again when they reopen the gate. Alright, see you guys in a little bit, and then I guess we'll show you guys a little bit on what it looks like on the other side of the island. Okay. How you doing? Are you bored?
No, yeah, but I can't wait to go back again. I wish we went far, like to Hawaii.
Yeah.
Why is it light green now? If I was so skinny like this, I would fit it.
Light green. That's purple.
That's about how it goes. I'm working it. I can't fly.
Oh, look at that.
I was gonna touch that. I can't. Touch what? Okay, I'm gonna do the part of the
Alright, we're on the ferry. These guys are doing the puzzle. Let's show you guys. Get it.
We got one team over here.
I did one.
We got one team over here.
Yeah, I put one on. Where's the other?
We got one team over here. And we got a solo team over here. Are you going to be able to finish all of this before we get to the other side?
That's what I said.
No.
I already finished one.
Let's see. Come on. You gotta hustle up. Hurry up. Alright. And we got some friends on the other side. They came to say bye. They're right there. Yep. All those birds. All the birds are all out here with their families just to see us off and say bye-bye. So, yep. There's one guy right there. He cannot handle it anymore, so he's all by himself.
Oh, there's so much. Some people just want to leave it down so people can't see.
They're making it hard for you to put the pieces together?
Yeah, so I'm making them see.
Okay, that's good. Hey guys, listen up. I need a vote. You guys want pizza or you guys want a McDonald's? Huh? So, who's in favor of pizza? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you want pizza. Are you listening? Raise your hand if you want pizza. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want pizza? Okay, pizza it is. What? I can only afford one. Alright guys, so As you can see, these guys are doing puzzles, but I asked them if they want pizza or McDonald's. They want both. But I am sorry, I can
I
only
want
afford
pizza.
one.
I just
Pizza.
want pizza.
So yes, we'll
Mom
do
needs your
pizza,
phone.
okay? Huh?
Hey, Mom need your phone.
Alright, so we'll do pizza, okay?
Hey, look. This is wrong. Hey, can you give me the
I
board?
know. Come on, let's get going. Remember the guy said if you finish this by the time we reach the other side, he's gonna give us $100. So come on, get going. Come on.
Dad needs your phone.
Okay, so we're leaving Los up again. So 40 minutes ago we left Chuk and we arrived at America, and now we are going back. We're sailing away from America. We're going back to Chuk. So bye America.
Welcome aboard the Washington State Ferry. The following message is an important safety announcement. For security reasons, we ask that passengers not leave any backpacks, luggage, packages, or other personal belongings unattended during this crossing. Upon arrival at our final destination, all passengers must disembark the vessel. In the event of a shipboard emergency, signals will be sounded on the ship's general alarm, followed by the same signals on the ship's whistle.
No.
We left America and now we're back to Chuk again. We have finally arrived at our final destination. And unfortunately, these guys did not put the puzzles together. Those
Yeah,
guys
but
on
you
the other
guys
side,
took some down.
they barely even made it. But so we're back again. So right now we're just, as soon as we get off, we're gonna try to see if we can go and get some pizza, because these guys want some pizza, and I don't know if I have enough money to buy every one of them pizza. But yes, I'm gonna buy the pizza, and
You cheater.
maybe tomorrow we probably won't have enough for rent, because I have a big family over here to feed, and they all eat a lot of pizza, so it's gonna be a lot. All right, so you guys ready for pizza? Huh?
Why don't we go to your guys' house to eat?
Why, you want to go to our house? Huh? Yes, we are tired of staying at the house, so we gotta go somewhere.
No, I'm not tired of the house. I'm playing.
Why? Because you're addicted.
Hey, we can't do something. You guys can go to home.
That was a quick ride. So we're back again. So we'll see you guys in a little bit, okay?
I won't jump off.
Alright. So we are at the all-you-can-eat buffet restaurant right here, Chinese. These guys, they said they wanted to eat pizza before, but some of these guys also wanted to eat rice. So that's why we ended up coming to this restaurant, so that we can eat pizza and eat rice.
I never really get that.
What do you mean you're not really hungry?
Look at this pizza. So skinny.
Really? Okay. So you said you're not hungry? Wow. Hi, Silly. What do you have, man?
The
Ooh,
things that you put in your food.
that's good. That's real good food, man. So yep, we're just eating right now. Everybody's having a good time. Mars is right there. I cannot wait. I'm here, stuck here on the table, because I need to make sure that I guard the table, the security. So as soon as everybody gets here, then I will go ahead and get my food. But yeah. Oh, looks like that's mommy's food. Ooh. We got the fish, we got the salmon. What is it, salmon? We got the fried chicken. Noodles with fried rice. Ooh, that's awesome. Poor me, these guys are really taking advantage of me today. And I'm broke. Broke as a joke. So remember guys, when you grow up, make sure that you remember your uncle here. Alright? So when you get a good job and you get lots of money, I'll be knocking on your door. Okay? I'll be like, hey, can you like repay me back? Huh? Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright guys, we gotta eat. I'm hungry.
Like this.
Alright, look at this guys. They're still eating.
Dude, we saw guys.
They're not even done. Lamarsa, are you having fun? Yeah? Yeah. Are you full?
I thank you there for the thing.
Huh?
Thank you for the thing. There's a thing your face.
What you done?
Cotton candy ice cream in your face. You just said watch this. Oh man, we're not gonna. I wanted to bring my body. Look at this.
Look at your face, man. Look at
Okay. Any words before we end the vlog?
Thank you for watching. And I hope you like the vlog. Subscribe and keep on watching. Comment below on the next video. Peace.
Peace.